Dorade Royale. So how do you recognize the fresh fish? Touch, firm, firm. He's alive. Second one, difficult to open. That's Mediterranean, you know? Like this. The head on the left and the stomach to my stomach. And take out as much the meat from the head that you can and cut and turn and gently follow the bone, little bit of the knife, not everything of course. Is it 3 times need? It means another time come back to the middle bone. And the last time is you got to see what you're doing. Going down, break it and go down. Yes. After we can make soup with the bone. This is for sashimi and that's for the soup after.
사시미 아니고 회.
회. And this is how come the stamina with respect and sharp knife. I do very slowly for the video. Make sure you go down in this part. So don't break the filler.